What inspires you to create new paintings and new artwork? And what is it that you do to get that inspiration and that motivation and everything going, the juices going? And I would say in many cases, before I even start to paint, I turn on my stereo system and I'm listening to Michael Jackson, the Thriller, or I'm listening to Elvis Presley and Hound Dog, or I'm listening to Elton John and Rocket Man, or I'm listening to Prince and Purple Rain. I might be listening to Beyonce. I might be listening to Lady Gaga, Bad Romance. So you power everything up with music, and then you transform that into art. And so the music legends, all the various legends out there, Aretha Franklin and Michael Jackson and so many other greats that have been. And they say, you know, what other ways are you inspired? You know, how are you inspired? And I would say you could be inspired by nature and walking through a park and hiking through a trail and, you know, sitting by a campfire, or just going to a coffee shop and listening to the crazy energy and noise and people watching and looking at some of the artwork on the walls, or going to an art museum or gallery and, you know, just looking at the contemporary work and looking at some of the traditional and modern art. And you could even browse through, you know, bookstores and libraries, and you see something and it just is inspirational and it just brings you something.